What's up, photographers? My name is Ramsey, and in today's video I need to show you how you can edit your raw photos and make them pop in Photoshop. So if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button to see more editing tutorials on this channel. So the first thing, we need to import our picture in Photoshop now. Then after you import your picture in Photoshop, you need to open a panel called camera raw filter. So for you to open camera raw filter, you need to click on filter right here and click on camera raw filter. Then for this picture, I'll be working with the warm temperature. So for us to work with the warm temperature, the first thing you need to do after opening the camera raw filter is we need to change the temperature of our photo. So for us to change the temperature of our photo, we need to go to the temperature section right here in the basic group or basic section. So the first thing you see is the temperature. So I'll be working with the warm temperature. So I'll drag this mini thing and go to the right and put my temperature to +10 or to +15. Then after doing that, I will need to play with these 6 sliders, right, for me to do the correction or the correction. So the first thing I usually do, I decrease the highlight to -100. Then after that, I decrease the shadows a little bit and I increase the contrast to about 40 or 50. Then after increasing the contrast, I need to increase on the black so that I can add the black to the picture. Then for the whites, I need to decrease, not to increase. I need to decrease the whites to around -5 or -10 depending on your picture. But for this picture, I'll be working with these settings. Yeah, you can copy these settings, by the way. Then after that, we need to scroll down. Then we need to open the curve panel. So if you don't know how to use the curve panel, tell me in the comment section and I'll create a video for you so that you can learn how to use the curve panel or the curve section for your photos, right? So the first thing, I need to decrease this ball and decrease this ball too. Now after that, we need to scroll down again and open the color mixer section. So what I usually do with the color mixer section is I increase the saturation of each color which I see on the photo. Let me show you. So if I need to increase the saturation of the greens like this, I need to go to the right like that. And for you to increase the saturation, you need to click on the saturation section. But when it is your first time to open the camera raw filter, usually you find yourself in the U section. But you can go to the saturation section and increase the saturation of the greens or a particular color you need to increase the saturation of. Right, now we need to decrease the yellows because I'm not a big fan of the yellows when I do my editing. So now I increase the aqueous for the denim jacket or the jacket. I don't know how you call it, but I call it the denim jacket. Right, now we need to increase this. Then after that, we're gonna decrease the yellows again to -100 and decrease to around 79 on the greens. Then after that, I'm going to click on the U. So for me to click on the U, you can just click on the U section, bro. Now after you click on the U section, you click on the green because I want to change the green color. As you can see, this one I'm not interested. I can change the green color to around to yellow or to brownish color, but I need to increase the color of the green like this, as you can see, like that. Then after you're done, we need to scroll down and go to the option called calibration like this. So if you go to calibration and you open the calibration panel, you must be wondering why I did open the calibration. So the calibration is a section which you can use to increase the saturation of each of the photo, of the photo. So for you to increase a natural saturation, you need to go to blue primary section and increase the saturation only, not the hue saturation. Use the saturation only. So many photographers do this mistake. They increase the saturation on basic section. That's all. So if you are done doing the color grading, if you are interested, or if you are sure that you are done like what I did, I'm sure I'm done, you can create this as a preset. You can just click on more settings and create a preset like this. You can create a new group, and the name of the preset, I'm going to write green warm mood, and click on OK. That's it. If you want more advanced editing tutorials, hit the subscribe button to see more advanced editing tutorials on this channel. Hope you click the subscribe button. If this video was useful, hit the like button. Comment down below which video I should do next. Hope we see each other on the next video. Bye.